Basically, we do just about everything. Plumbing, electrical, kitchens, bathrooms, additions, home renovations. We cater to, the specifications of our particular customers. We thrive very hard to make them happy, to satisfy them, and to give them what they're looking for. Well, I graduated from high school in plumbing, worked for a licensed plumber for 15 years in New York. We did a lot of kitchens and bathroom renovations for high-rises. I was a cabinet maker for 15 years in New York City. I have 3 degrees in electrical. I have my associate's degree in electrical tech from Bronx Community College and 2 degrees in media arts. I put my name behind it, basically. So I take a lot of pride in what I do. I tell my customers I may not be the cheapest game in town, but we do it right. J is for Jose, W is for Wilfred, my brother-in-law who's Down syndrome, and the C stands for Chevrez. Well, it's a family-based company. My wife helps me out a lot, and I have my Down syndrome brother-in-law, which I take with me to, customers' homes from time to time, to try to get them out of the house and give them a sense of purpose in life. He's my backup.